Hi guys, today we are going to learn triangles. Triangles are the objects which are formed using three angles, that's why we call them triangles. Today we are going to see the basic four rules of triangles. Coming down to the four rules of the triangles, the first rule of the triangle states the rule of interior angles. Over here we can see that it states the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle must be equal to 180. So suppose there is a triangle over here over where I have angles, namely A, 60 and 100. So I can say that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180. So I can form an equation stating A plus 100 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. One equation, one variable, I can solve it. Linearly solving it, I get A equals to 20 degree. Coming down to the second rule of triangles, it is nothing but the rule of exterior angles. Let us see what is an exterior angle. If I extend any of the side of a triangle, over here you can see the angle formed over here, D, is nothing but an exterior angle. I can see one of the property stating that angle C and angle D are forming my linear pair of angles whose sum is nothing but 180 degree. I can again see from my first rule that sum of A plus B plus C is also 180. So over here I have two equations stating D plus C is 180, A plus B plus C is 180. So I can say my D can be replaced by A plus B. So this is nothing but my rule of exterior angle, that is the exterior angle D must be equal to the sum of the remote interior angles, which are nothing but A and B. This is applicable to all the triangles. Coming down to the third rule of the triangles, that is the rule of the sides, which says that if suppose two sides of a triangle are given, say 6 and 10, and I need to find the range of the third side, the range of the third side will lie between the difference of the two sides and the sum of the two sides. That is nothing but if I go and calculate the difference, 10 minus 6 is 4, and my addition, that is the sum of the two sides, is 6 plus 10, that is 14. So over here I can say that the range of my x will be from 6 to 14, which says that my side cannot be 6, cannot be 14, but it can be between 6 and 14. So always remember that 6 and 14 are always exclusive. Coming down to the fourth rule of the triangles, that is the rule of proportion. Rule of proportion. This rule of proportion always goes around the angles, which says that the largest angle of my triangle, over here I can see that my largest angle is B. So the largest angle B subtends the largest side, that is side B. The smallest angle, that is angle A, subtends my smallest angle, that is A. So by basic proportionality I can say that my sides lie in the proportion of my angles. That is, if my largest angle is B, the second largest angle is C, and the smallest is A, so I can say the proportionality of the sides will also be like A is less than C is less than B, as it goes for my angles. That's done. So we have learned the four rules of triangles today. That's it. We'll see you in the next lecture.